Then after you go through the checkout process, you'll be brought into Hostinger's onboarding. The first thing to do here is click on Create a New Site. From here, click WordPress, then go down and click Next. And right here, your domain name should appear. I'll go ahead and click on mine, then go down and click Next. Right here, you'll need to confirm your domain name owner details. Just make sure all the information on this screen is correct and accurate to you. Once you've reviewed the information here, go down and click Register. Now Hostinger will register your domain. Next, you'll have the option to choose your data center. I'd recommend just going with the default option here because it usually has the best latency for you. Once you're done, go down and click on Next. And then here you have the option to create your WordPress admin account. Automatically, it's just going to use the information for your Hostinger account. So the email and password that you created a moment ago should be the same here. You can change this if you want to, but in my case, I'll just leave it how it is. Now here, let's go down and click on Build from Scratch. Let's go ahead and give this a few moments to complete. And once it's done, I'll meet you at the next step. And after everything is done installing with WordPress, you'll be brought into your WordPress dashboard. The first thing you'll notice here is that your domain may be pending email verification. To fix this, just go to the email that you used to sign up with, and you should see an email there from Hostinger. That email should look something like this. It'll say confirm email for your domain. All you have to do here is just go down and click on verify email. And then you'll see that your email has been verified. And after that, just switch back over to your WordPress dashboard, refresh, and it'll say that your domain is active. Okay, and with that done, here's where we currently are. Your hosting is set up, your domain is registered, and WordPress is installed and connected. And if you haven't gotten started just yet, don't forget to go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link down in the video description to get access to the lowest price available for your hosting. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. With that said, I'll see you in the next video.